ho ho! Yes, it's Christmas time. Don't be naughty, be nice, and check out this festively fun Santa craft. Template is available in description box to print out Santa Claus template and cut the pieces. So let's begin. Start by coloring the paper plate in tan color. You can use crayons or pencil color too. Glue the eyes towards the top of the face. Glue the tongue piece on the bottom of the black mouth and glue it to the bottom of the paper plate. Glue the white mustache right above the mouth. Glue Santa's beard just below the mustache. Glue the nose into the middle of the mustache. Now it's time to make Santa's hat. Now glue his hat on the paper plate. Now your Santa is ready. Bye for now. Stay on the nice list.